Shall we enjoy a nice mindful walk in the rain? I was caught off guard this afternoon, and I thought, as I noticed I was getting wetter and wetter, and the floor started glistening with rain, I started feeling quite mindful, and I thought, if I'm doing a mindful walk, why don't you share it with me? So mindful walking is quite beautiful and quite easy in a place like this. And if you just tune in with your ears, what can you hear? There's a raindrop on the camera. And we can hear the birds. There's like a crow and there's a tweet. You can hear the sound of the rain. And walking downstairs. Feeling the earth beneath me, the hard concrete stone steps. But also being mindful, right? I have to slow down because it's raining, the floor's wet. And coming out of the tree covering, I'm now getting very wet and very rained on. So feeling the rain on my skin, feeling the rain, cold rain. I can feel my t-shirt getting wet and cold and sticking to my back. I can hear the distant rumble of a jet plane. The endless sound of the birds continue. And at the same time, I'm tuning into my legs, and I can feel each step. And you do like the heel, toe. Just walking, feeling the earth beneath me. Feeling my foot move a little bit in my shoe as I walk. Now hearing the pigeons cooing. Car beeping. A mindful walk can be as fast or as slow as you like. And it's just about tuning into our senses. What we can see, hear, smell, taste and touch. Noticing how green the grass is. Coming into the beautiful stairs. Being mindful, right? They're wet. Are they slippery? Looking further away, what can we see in the distance? What can we see up close? Being aware of our breathing. How are you breathing? Are you exerting yourself? Are you breathing shallow? Are you gasping for air? contemplating, do I do the sensible thing and take the stairs back to the hotel? Or am I going to be lured by this magical looking path that says, walk me, walk me? Coming under the trees, under the canopy, I'm not getting wet, but wow, the air's cold. So feeling that difference with the cold air. I can look down and see the little trickle of the creek. You know, imagining if it was really rainy season, I wonder if this would be flooded. Imagine the water gushing through. Listening to that inner voice that says, if you walk that way, you will have close to 1 kilometre to walk before you get a path that goes back to the hotel. Turn around. You're looking at the beautiful flowers. Incredible are they? I've loved these flowers. And you know, being mindful, right? Like, I could pick that flower to enjoy its beauty, but then I'm only enjoying its beauty temporarily, right? It's always just temporary. If I pick the flower, I need to keep it in water. And am I going to be enjoying it while I'm popping in and out? I feel like we're in a Harry Potter scene. Sorry, I just cleaned the camera. Coming upstairs, hearing the pool music. I'm now officially saturated. That's part of the mindful experience. Noticing. Cute little frangipani and these beautiful trees. You know, what are the sounds over this part of the hotel? What can you hear? You can hear the music playing, people laughing. There's a trickling sound, perhaps from the pool. That's a mindful walk. Thank you for joining me on a mindful walk in the rain at the Hyatt Regency in Kathmandu. It's quite beautiful, isn't it? So beautiful. I am now going to have to get changed before I go to dinner because it's definitely not appropriate to wear a white wet t-shirt in public. You know, before you run off at the end of a mindful walk, it's nice to just stop and compose yourself. Take a nice breath. Feel your feet planted on the floor. Smile. Be like, oh, it's dry. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that walk. And I look forward to showing you more.